Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X5, and today I'll show you how to hard reset a device through factory mode. And to get started, let's hold power key and select shut down, tap on it once more. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. And when you see the logo, you can let go. And as you can see, we're now in factory mode. So in this mode, using volume down, you want to scroll down in order to select the clear eMMC option, which is the third one from the bottom, and also the only one that you can actually see the QWERTY letter, so eMMC. And now if you pass it, for instance like so, you'll realize that it cannot go up, so what you have to do is just keep pressing down till you get to it once more. And then when selected with the yellow mark, press power key, and this will begin the process. So the device will start removing all personal data, and once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.